So these is Fibonacci. So you need to find a trend, high and low, then put a Fibonacci. About 23.6%. This is buying always. That would be your, that should be your buying in trend. And similarly, if it is on the downside, then it should be selling, short side trade or the buy side trade. Okay, that's what it meant. And then this is the important part. I'm trying to explain Fibonacci in simple words. Okay, so 38, 50%, these can be target. 61 point can be target. 60%, 100% can be target. 61.8% is the level that would be deciding level whether this will. So right now BTC is in negative trend, right? And it's going up. So 61.8% would be the deciding level whether this trend, the trend which is going up, will continue or it will rejected. It will be rejected from here, and then maybe this or maybe these levels. Why? Let me tell you. This level tells us on the chart the trend has changed or it was just the correction move. So this could be correction move if price goes down from this level. And right now, if you see this candle just closed on the 50%, right? So it can reject from this level or 61.8% level. So when you buy or sell from 23.6%, this should be your first target. And then see how price reacts on this level. It continues. If it continues, then these are the further levels. 60-78%, this is the level normally achieved. 161% is probability is like 30 to 50%. When trend is solid, we see 227%, 261%, and sometimes beyond that, 361% or 400% as well. But right now, it may not be possible in BTC. So it could be like 114% or 127% or maybe 161%. Okay. So this is the level which decides whether trend will continue or that would be just a correction move. So that's how it works.